Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming requirements: an Android 8, 0 or newer device, and the latest Google app. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings for Google Assistant. You need voice match enabled and permission to respond on the lock screen. Tap Hey Google detection and lock screen access so Assistant can hear you when the device is locked. Make sure microphone permission is granted. This first step primes the system so Assistant will wake and listen without unlocking the phone. Now you train voice match and give Assistant the right lock screen rights. You say Hey Google a few times to record your voice. The device learns your speech pattern to avoid false activations. Then enable personal results on the lock screen if you want calendar, messages, or reminders read aloud. Make sure access with voice match and microphone permissions remain on. Once voice match is trained, Assistant will respond securely to your voice even when the screen is off or locked. Finish by testing. Lock the phone and say Hey Google clearly. If Assistant answers, you're done. If it doesn't, recheck voice match training and toggle lock screen permissions off and on, then restart the phone. That often resolves permission glitches. Also verify battery optimization isn't restricting the Google app and that the microphone works in other apps. If problems persist, remove and re-add your voice model. These steps fix the vast majority of lock screen Assistant issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.